Lalita Kumaramangalam, my original hypothesis is that you look at Chirag Paswan, he says, you cut my chest into half and you will see Modi, right?
Yes.
Then you look at statements being made by Rahul Gandhi against Mr. Modi. Look at statements by Tejaswi Yadav, a little bit on Nitish Kumar, but largely about Modi.
Yes.
Is this less a Bihar election, less about Mr. Nitish Kumar and more about Modi? I.e., my hypothesis that this is a Modi versus Tejaswi election and not a Nitish versus Tejaswi election.
Sanket, let's not forget the fact that Mr. Modi has an overall and very overarching presence throughout the country. To unnecessarily compare him with Nitish Ji, when over and over again, as Satyaprakash Ji has said, every tall leader, every main leader, every one of the big leaders, and all of us too, have repeatedly said that in Bihar, Nitish Ji will be the chief minister again. It's quite clear that NDA will win. And it's, I think it's very immature to say that Chirag Paswan, who is just a youngster, Chirag has still got to make his mark. His father was really the tall leader of Bihar. He has recently lost his father. He is struggling to find his way. And I don't think that it's fair to say that we are shoving him aside or that he's not sure that he will support BJP. He's made it very clear that whatever may be his relationship with or without Nitish, and remember they're both from the same state. So Chirag is really fighting more Nitish than Modi than he ever would Modi ji, because Modi ji is the prime minister and he's not from Bihar. Nitish Kumar is. You know what local politics are. Every one of us on this show knows
in that case, see,
so
if I were to put
doubt
two together, Ms. Kumaramangalam, this is a very comfortable situation. Say,
for instance, he will support the NDA. He's made it very clear. I don't think there's any doubt in anybody's mind.
If JDU does not do well, and if the BJP has a fighting chance with a little bit of support from the LJP, it's a win-win proposition.
I don't think that it's very premature for us to make these calculations
now. I agree,
the election
but then
is
politics
just a few
works
days
like
away.
this.
We have to wait for about 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, we'll know what's going to happen. And as everybody knows, even 2 days is a huge time in politics.
Are you ruling out this calculation? As of this moment, are you ruling out any post-poll calculation with LJP?
Sanket, I'm not a journalist. I don't know. I don't do these speculations and calculations. That's not my job. I know for a fact, and everybody else, who's, I mean, in the public who knows anything about politics and is following the Bihar elections, knows that the young boy whose father just passed away has made it very clear, Chirag Paswan, that he is a supporter of Modi ji. The rest of it, let's see how it plays out. We don't know if he's going to get seats, how many he will get, nothing.
शिवानंद तिवारी जी, मैं आपके पास वापस आना चाहता हूँ.
It's very premature to speculate, I think.
Okay, RJD से शिवानंद तिवारी जी, मैं आपके पास वापस आना चाहता हूँ. देखिए, 5 जो बड़ी आलोचनाएं हैं नीतीश कुमार की, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नेता चुन लिए गए हैं एनडीए के तो सब कुछ ठीक है. उनकी 5 बड़ी आलोचनाएं हैं और ये बहुत सारे लोग दबे स्वर में ही सही, भाजपा में भी ये आलोचना करते हैं. सबसे पहली बात शराबबंदी. आरोप ये है कि शराबबंदी में बहुत सारी जगह इलीगल लिकर ट्रेड हो रहा है. इलीगल लिकर ट्रेड हो रहा है और पुलिस की साठगांठ के साथ होता है. उसके बाद आपकी पार्टी आरोप लगाती है कि भ्रष्टाचार बहुत ज्यादा फैल गया है. देयर इज करप्शन, नो वर्क इज बीइंग डन विदाउट गिविंग मनी. कोरोना में जो मजदूरों की जो पलायन हुआ था उसको लेकर के बहुत आलोचना हुई नीतीश कुमार की. एजुकेशन सिस्टम पर बहुत सारी बातें हो रही हैं और नई इंडस्ट्रीज पर जो सरकार ने ये कह दिया कि भाई क्योंकि हम लैंड लॉक्ड हैं, समुद्र नहीं है हमारे आसपास, तो उसकी वजह से ये सब हुआ है. आपको लगता है कि ये है असली चिंता की विषय जिसकी वजह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी थोड़ा सा चिराग पासवान को भी फ्लोट करके रखे हुए? अब ललिता जी नहीं मानेंगी इस बात को, लेकिन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं.
संकेत, आवाज बंद.
जी शिवानंद जी बोलिए.
हाँ, संकेत, सबसे पहले हम चिराग पासवान की बात पर आपका ध्यान दिलाना चाहेंगे. चिराग ने ये कहा कि नीतीश कुमार को जेल भेजेंगे. और इसके बावजूद न नरेंद्र मोदी ने, न अमित शाह ने, किसी ने भी चिराग पासवान को कहीं से फटकार लगाई इस बात पर. बिल्कुल उन्होंने कहा. क्यों कहा? इसलिए कि मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से जानता हूं कि रामविलास पासवान को अपमानित करने का काम किया, पूरे पासवान कम्युनिटी को अपमानित करने का काम नीतीश जी ने किया. जब उन्होंने महादलित बनाया तो महादलित में सिर्फ एक दलित जाति पासवान को बाहर कर दिया, उनको कुजात छाट दिया। और उसी समय से मैंने रामविलास भाई को ये लगा कि ये आदमी हमारा अपमान कर रहा है। मैं जानता हूं कि नीतीश कुमार कहा करते थे रामविलास पासवान के बारे में कि वो फेक लीडर हैं, लीडर मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है।